Hello techies, welcome back to Power Automate Desktop Tutorials. Now we will learn how to extract the details of the selected checkboxes in the particular window by using get selected checkboxes action under the data extraction. Let me drag and drop this get selected checkboxes in window action onto the workspace. Over here, if you see the same parameters what we have for the get selected radio button, we are having the same parameters for the get selected checkboxes in window also. I will show you some examples over here. Now I'm going to add a new UI element. Over here, I'm going to capture all the checkboxes over here. I have captured all the UI elements for the checkboxes, and then I'm going to click on done. Now, what I want to do, I want to get the state of the particular checkbox. So what is the checkbox that I want to do? I want to select the checkbox of the IT. All right, let's click on select. Now, the particular checkbox is selected or not. So we will get an output as true or false. It's a Boolean value. So that value will be stored in the variable that is age checked. All right, let's click on save. As a common practice, I'm going to use display message onto the workspace. And I'm going to give UI automation as a title. And then message to display that is checked or not for the particular checkbox. And then I'm going to click on save. And then if you see in our window that our IT has been checked, nothing but its true value has to display when I run the flow. Let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution has been started, and you can see the output for the IT checkbox that has been true because of it has been selected. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to unselect this, and then once again let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started, and you can see the output as false because of the IT department checkbox is not checked. That's the reason we're going to get it as false over here. All right, let's click on OK. All right. Now we will see another operation for the get selected checkboxes, that is get names of the selected checkboxes in the group. The output will be stored in the selected checkboxes if there is any values has been checked. In that case, that all the values will be there or there. Now I'm going to store the output in the selected checkbox variable. Let's click on save. I'm going to display the message over here. Message to display what is the variable that we want to select, that is selected checkboxes, and then I'm going to click on save. So what it will do in the particular group, what are the values have been checked, that values will be given in the selected checkboxes. But over here, as of now, I don't have any group for these checkboxes, so that I'm going to select only the checkbox IT will comes as true or false, or it will give the name of the particular group which has been the values has been selected. All right. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.